Love the smell of citrus, but like something a little less sweet? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, going to tell you all about Mandarin Essential Oil. I love this oil, and in this video I'll talk about its benefits, some different ways to use it, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. This oil has a relaxing and calming aroma while being uplifting, so it's great for soothing stress. It's a little less sweet than orange essential oil. It has a little bit more of a wild aroma that I really like, and I love putting it in the diffuser to help soothe stress. Mandarin essential oil naturally kills germs. When we use an essential oil, we're using the oil that the plant creates, so it makes sense that it would kill germs because that mandarin wants to protect itself from disease. This oil can even help kill germs out of the air. I love using it in the spray to help make a bathroom smell great. Mandarin essential oil can help soothe muscles, so if you're struggling with tense muscles or are in pain and that's causing you to tense up, you can use Mandarin essential oil to help soothe those. We have a muscle soothing roll-on recipe that's perfect for this. I'll make sure that it's linked in the blog post, which is in the description. Mandarin essential oil also promotes healthier skin. It can help make your skin look great by helping it glow, help reduce the appearance of stress marks and cellulite. One of my favorite recipes for Mandarin essential oil and skincare is our The Best Natural Lotion recipe. You're gonna love it. It feels so good on the skin. It's nice and thick, which I like, but without being too thick. It absorbs super nice. I will link to this recipe in the blog post, which will be in the description. Mandarin essential oil can also help stimulate your immune system, which is great for the fall with kids going back to school, and people just tend to get more sick because they're staying inside more in the fall. So let's talk about how we know Mandarin essential oil works. So we know it works by looking at how it's been used throughout history and by looking at each of the individual chemicals that help make up Mandarin essential oil. One of the main chemicals that make up Mandarin essential oil is D-limonene. And this chemical is common among citrus oils. It helps activate white blood cells, kill germs, helps give its calming aroma, and helps stimulate the immune system. To learn more about how Mandarin essential oil works, make sure you check out the blog. Let's make sure you know how to use Mandarin essential oil safely. This oil will generally not cause any skin irritation, but you always want to dilute an essential oil before putting it on your skin. And we have a super easy to follow dilution chart that I will link to in the description. This oil is generally safe with kids. I love to use it with my daughter Gloria, who is 3. You can use it with kids aged 2 and up. Cats don't do great with citrus oil, so avoid using it around any cats. Dogs are generally okay with it. Whenever you're using an essential oil around pets, make sure you leave the door open so the pet can leave if the aroma disturbs them. This essential oil is phototoxic, which means it can make you more likely to get sunburned. So avoid using it on your skin before heading into direct sunlight. Thanks for watching. To learn more about using essential oils to make your home toxin-free, hit subscribe, and also check out our recipe box where you get 4 full-size essential oils plus 6 recipes created by an aromatherapist. That's me. And it's a really great way to get started using essential oils, and you can find that at simplyearth.com/box. I'll make sure to put a link to that below too. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time teaching you more about how to use essential oils to make your home toxin free. Thanks for watching.